Robin with Big Doodle Dreams. Right now I happen to be babysitting, and I wanted to share the two dogs that I'm babysitting. Their mommy is Patty, and Patty is in my YouTube channel. She's got at least one, I think she has 2 videos posted. But I wanted to show you because they are sisters and they are different colors. She is a cream, and this one was actually born black and has lightened up, and you can see she has the phantom markings on her legs and her face, but similar size. The cream one is not barely 20 pounds. She's mostly hair and coat. She's actually going to get a haircut fairly soon. I'm going to be grooming her while she's here visiting. Her sister Maggie, the black one that's, like I said, now Silver Phantom, she's a little bigger. She's closer to 26 or 27 pounds, which is what I anticipate most of Patty's puppies to be, pretty close to 30 pounds. But I figured I would show you because we're out here, we're hanging out. This is when I babysit, I do walk them. They don't join, and I always get asked that, do they get to hang out with my parent dogs? No, they get to see them, but they're not gonna be interacting and playing with. Instead, they get the regular routine like what they would normally get at home. They get to be walked, and they get some freedom in the house. I try to stick with whatever schedule that the family has in place. The only thing I don't do is I don't allow them in my bed. So visiting dogs, I'm sorry. You can sleep in the bedroom, but not in my bed. But these are both Patty puppies in 2 different colors. I figured at least I would get to share. They are so cute and fluffy, and it's a delight to have the visiting dogs because they were born here, and it's awesome when I get to babysit and I get to groom. So it was great talking to you guys. Subscribe to my channel, visit my website, Big Doodle Dreams, and I'll talk to you soon.